Greetings and welcome to the TTB Newsroom. We have with us TTB Bank, the winner of the Best AI Initiative, Ms. Wipada. We will probably start with the Delphi personalization engine. If you can share with us how this initiative has been deployed through personalization at scale at TTB and is really making a difference for the business.
Okay, actually this one, the Delphi personalization, it starts from small, because we need to understand each customer individual transaction, what they prefer and what they need right now. So processing this one is quite challenging. So we start with small group of customers, starting from 500,000 customers who actively use our mobile app. And then once we test our concept is work, the guide that we propose then is work and got a lot of great response. Then we scale up to 1.4 million people. But when we come to that scale from million up, and we're running on existing on-premise technology. So to scale that out more to cover all our customer 10 million is quite challenging. So that's why we make a decision to migrate everything on cloud. So not only doing batch process, we're now able to do real-time processing as well right now. We dedicate some part to do daily batch, and then we extend that to real-time for some card that really relevant to them. So that is the way we start. We start from small first, and then we expand, and then we see the feedback, and then expand more. Yeah.
Certainly is very, very impressive in terms of the technical execution at TTB. Ms. Ranpan, also we would like to understand in terms of the outcomes that you've seen through this personalization engine at TTB. Would you care to share with us, what impact this is having for the business?
First of all, I would say the Delphi engines is in-house. So we actually build on our own, and it's the key enabler for the bank to deliver the best deal personalizations. And we do the recommendation with respect to the 4 pillars. The first one is the smart saving and mindful spending. The second one would be healthy borrowing. And the third one is the investment for the future. And the fourth one is the sufficient protections. And as I said, is what the key enabler. So it has been the key engines and the key driver, and has aligned with the TTB vision to be the best recommended banks by choice of our customer, and also the mission to improve Thai financial well-being. And as I have mentioned before, so the result that we that have been shown on the submissions, we have shown that our customer over 2 million have received the free protections from our recommendations, and they also gain maximum value from utilizing our credit card from recommendation engine also. And in the term of the bank, so we have increased our customer engagement by 3 times, and also enhance our sale volume. For example, I can say personal loan by 9 times, and overall satisfaction on the personalized solution is increasing up to 90%.
Certainly think that's really phenomenal and very impressive business growth, and deploying those types of initiatives and being able to connect with the customers is really very, very impressive. So I appreciate both your insights today, and hope you have a great gala, and we have some very exciting activities also planned for you. So have fun tonight.
Thank you.
Mr. Panawat, it's a pleasure to have you. Many congratulations to TTB for winning the Best Digital Sales Initiative. And in this regard, we wanted to first, of course, inquire how are you feeling today, and how are you enjoying the event at this exclusive awards gala?
Okay. Thanks for having me in terms of the award and recognitions for the things that we have done, for the initiatives, for the digital sales that align with our bank directions. The things that we put into effort is already have recognitions. So that is things that I think is very pleasant for us.
Absolutely, and so from the Best Digital Sales Initiative, the bank has worked tremendously in terms of deepening its engagement. Can you share with us some of the key outcomes from the Best Digital Sales Initiative that TTB has acquired, and it has really made it a unique player in the Thailand banking landscape?
Definitely, because digital sales, everyone's is doing it, but the things that we make the difference is that we try to make it more responsible. You know that ESG trend is coming, and we try to make the lending with responsibilities. So to make the digital sale work, we will focus on the customer that have ability to pay and willingness to pay first, because we have plenty of data with them, and that is the thing that we really focus. And if they are a really good customer, we make a discount based on the risk-based pricing, based on their behaviors. So that is the key things. The other thing is that when we communicate to the customers, we use the omni-channel with our proprietary algorithms, and also the way we communicate. We adapt the concept of nudging and behavioral science to influence customer to change their behavior. So if the customer is not that good payment behavior, if we incentivize them based on nudging, they can change their behavior and become the good persons. So they can get discount interest rate on top of that. That is the thing that we make the difference. So that's why we grow significantly based on digital. We grow by 4 times year over year, or 400%. And moreover, we can control the risk cost under the very low level. So this is the thing that we make the difference. So our portfolio is still healthy.
Absolutely, and you've shown phenomenal growth, in the unsecured lending space. How are you looking to roll this out to other products, that you're offering?
Sure. Now we are working on the other product as well beyond just lending. We are working on the investment and saving, mutual fund and deposit products, because as you know that deposits is normally a normal day transactions, and investment is the things that Thai people are really struggling with because they have not sufficient fund. So we try to incentivize them to save more and invest more, so that they can have a plenty of the save for the future, before they're retired.
Thank you so much, Mr. Panawat. I hope you have a great evening and enjoy yourself out there. And we look forward to continuing engaging with TTB and tracking all the wonderful initiatives that you're rolling out. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Great pleasure to be here.
Joining us here today for a very exclusive and very special conversation around their win for Mortgage Product of the Year. Mr. Atit, many congratulations to you and the team. I would like to begin with, of course, the very fascinating initiative in terms of the debt consolidation that TTB launched. Please share with us really how this has improved the financial well-being of your customers.
This program is to help customers manage the debt and healthy borrowing solutions. So we promote the program that help customer consolidate debt up to 4 accounts, which is especially in the highest interest loan, credit card loan, and P loan under 1 account. So the customer can manage the debt and lower interest and longer duration loans. So customer can have a lower debt burden. So that's why customer can manage their financial well-being.
Yeah, and on that note also, what impact has the scheme or the initiative had on your balance sheet, in terms of the asset quality?
Sure. We promote in year 2021, and at that time it's not well known in the market yet. But in year 2022, it's already well known in the market. So that's help customer to manage their debt, and we grow the balance sheet about 137% compared to year 2021 in this program. So in this year 2023, it's already achieved the target within 9 months and help customer reduce the interest around 300 million baht.
That is truly fascinating, and I think other institutions would be very, very lucky to emulate, TTB's fascinating initiatives in terms of debt consolidation. Thank you once again, Mr. Atit, and please do enjoy a great evening that we have up for you.
Thank you.